So once again, a very wonderful morning to all. Today, we'll be learning two things in our online class. The very first one is how to take a screenshot in Windows, and the second one is how to create a Gmail account in using your laptop or your mobile phones. Fine. So first, I'm going to show you that how you can take screenshots in your computer. In mobile phones, so we have already done, right? We are aware of how to take a screenshot. But in this, I'm just going to show you, just have a look. What you will do, you will click on the search button present at the bottom of your taskbar, and there is a tool which is known as snipping tool. SNIPPING snipping tool. This tool is by default installed in your computer system. There is no need of installing this in your computer. वो पहले जिसके पास भी computer होगा, automatically it was installed in your system. I'm going to open this. Now you can see a small dialog box has appeared on the screen. Now, let's say I want to take a screenshot of this desktop screen only. So what I will do, I will click on this new button, and then you'll see my background has turned into white transparent uh, sheet. So whatever area you want to select, you can select. For example, I want to take this SpongeBob. So I can take it. Yeah. So you can see that this is how you can take a screenshot in this, right? Whatever picture you will feel like that I want to take a screenshot of this, you can take it. Now I am just going to click on File tab and then click on Save As button, and now I can save my picture. Okay, and then save. And I'm minimizing it. Okay, here you can see SS with the name SS. I have a picture, and the picture is something like that. Okay, one more time I'm going to show you how you can take a screenshot. Okay, so those who have joined late, they can see. So what I'm doing is I'm opening my computer over here, and for example, this is the area where I want to take a screenshot. Fine. So just click on once again new button, and then wait for the time till the time screen will become white, and then select the area, whatever area you feel like. For example, this much. So just have a look. Okay, this is how we can take a screenshot in your computer system using a snipping tool. Yeah. So the next step which we are going to learn today is to create a Gmail account. For that, you need a web browser. So I'm having two web browsers with me, and I'm going to open here Microsoft Edge. Okay, you can open any of the browser like Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox or your Edge, whatever you feel like. This is completely your choice. So I'm going to open my web browser right now, and it is opening. Now what you will do, you will just write down your query on the Gmail that create Gmail account. This is not in your syllabus. I'm just giving you some extra knowledge so that you should be aware of. You are class 7 students and you should know how to create a Gmail account by yourself. Fine. So those who are not having Gmail accounts till now, what you will do after learning this, you will make your own Gmail account. Okay, fine. Yeah. So here we go. I'm going to click on this create your account, Google account. So here you need to write down your first name, last name, username, password, and confirm password. For example, I am going to make a username. Okay, fine. And then let's say I'm going to make a username over here. Okay, let's say this is my username and done. Fine. If now you can see that the username is taken. What does it mean now? It means that I cannot use this Sheena07 because it is already taken by somebody else. So I have to change it. Let's just try with this one. And now it is showing that it is also taken. So it is they are saying that these two are available, but I don't want any of them. So this is available. Sheena 0703. Right. And now I'm going to use a password over here. If you want to see the password, then you can click on show password and then you can see passwords. Then what you will do, you will click on next. Done. Now here you have to write down your mobile number. Okay. So whatever mobile number you will be having, you just write it down. Currently I'm not having any mobile number because all my mobile numbers are occupied. And let's say I'm going to put my date of birth. For example, okay. And the gender is female. And then next. Confirmation, we can do it later on. There is no problem. But when you will create your own Gmail account, so what you will do, you will write down your mobile number and OTP is generated. That OTP you have to write it down in the given area. And then you will be logged in with your mobile number. Now you can see that I have created my Gmail account. It is very simple. This is my Gmail account. Now let's say I want to go to my Gmail. Here, my Gmail is about to open. This is how your Gmail window looks like. Now we are going to learn or we are going to perform some settings over here. How to make your Gmail account more enhancing or attractive, or we can say appearance हम change कर सकते हैं of Gmail account. Let me just show you how. So here you can see this S. Just a second. So you can see over here, this S is written, it means my name. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it. Sorry. You will click on this theme settings button. And then here a theme option is available. Click on view all option. And it will bring you all the themes which are there in your Gmail account. So whatever theme you feel like, okay, whatever theme you feel like, you can put it. There are lots and lots of themes available. For example, I am liking let's say I'm liking this one. So I just click on it and you can see theme is applied on my Gmail account. This is how you can create your or set your themes on your Gmail background. Also, we have my photos available. If you want to use your personal photograph, then also you can go for it. Okay, I'm clicking on it. But here we have to upload some photograph first of all, and then it will be visible. See? So right now I'm going to change it with this one. And 1, 2, 3 things that we are having here: text background, or we can say vignette or blur. If we can make it blur, just have a look. See, the picture you can see at the back end is completely blurred now. If I'll move the slider, see, it is less visible. We can try on some other picture actually. We can try on this picture. Right, now you can see the picture, and I'm going to make it blur. The picture has become blurred. So you can give some effects as well, whatever you feel like. This is how we can make a Gmail account and set what I can say is themes into your Gmail account. Fine. Rest we will do in the next session. So this is all about. So this is all about today. Today, what we have learned, we just revise it. First, we have used the snipping tool, which is used to take the screenshots. And then what we have done how to create a Gmail account and to change the settings of the Gmail account. So this is it for today. Rest we will do in the next turn. So goodbye to all and have a nice day and bye bye.